Hey there, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you wondering how many volts should a car battery have? Well, in this video, we'll show you how many volts are in a car battery under various conditions. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. A car battery is a fundamental piece of a car with the sole responsibility of supplying the energy required to run the auto gears. It is unfeasible for any means of transportation to start without a battery. It would be terrible to be stuck on a deserted highway with a dead battery. This is why performing a routine test of the battery is necessary to detect possible faults and rectify them on time. Normally batteries have a maximum lifetime of 3 to 5 years. However, bad driving practices and exposure to extreme elements can cut short the life of a car battery. So, have you ever wondered how many volts a car battery should have? Well, here we go. How many volts are in car batteries? The voltages of car batteries are not always preset. So, to respond to the query how many volts are car batteries? The direct answer is that car batteries are 12-volt DC. However, since the voltage is not a set number, you will likely get an entire car battery voltage chart. A voltage test appears to be the finest alternative to get details concerning car batteries. Regular testing of batteries should be part of your car's status checkup routine. The essence of a voltage test is to assist you in keeping a tab on the strength and fitness of the battery. To reduce the risks of sudden battery failure, you should carry out this routine maintenance test at least twice or thrice a year. So, how many volts are car batteries? The importance of scrutinizing the volts of your car battery is to give an update on charge status. You should comfortably analyze the status of your car battery power against the ideal car battery voltage range to provide you with more details about the state of your automobile battery. When full, a charged car battery voltage varies from 13.7 to 14.7 volts if it isn't plugged into an exterior gadget. It will drop to 12.4 V, with a charge of 75% and 12 volts 25%. The standard car battery voltage when it runs out of charge is about 11.9 V. The electrical energy has to rise to about 12 volts for it to cover maximum operating power. How to test battery voltage of a car? You can utilize a voltmeter to establish the volt of an auto battery. It can assist in evaluating the measurements with past results to construe the battery's state. To test the battery voltage of a car, you can position the reading device to its highest value and contact the battery's terminals. A functioning device will indicate precise reading. To know how many volts are car batteries, it is paramount to use a voltmeter. However, if you are unable to get a voltmeter, you should be capable of still testing out the battery's form by offing the engine and putting on the headlights. 1. Faint headlights signify drawing charge from the battery and the absence of it from the alternator. 2. Dazzling lights when revving the engine signify power production by the alternator, albeit in little supply. 3. Similar brightness during engine revving signifies battery and alternator are working fine. Car battery load test. A functioning battery will produce between 9.5 and 10.5 volts in a span of 30 seconds in load testing. The test should be conducted using a carbon pile instead of the manually handled testers. Reading in that range indicates a fit battery that can pile up sufficient power and manage the electric devices in the car efficiently. It will require you to get a battery load tester to carry out the check. However, if the battery does not make the grade of the load test and the voltmeter readings come at less than 12 volts at regular intervals, jump-starting the car or raising its performance by adding distilled water would be ideal. If both cases prove abortive, it means it would require you to replace the battery unit. Before carrying out the test, ensure the car battery is running in a high state of charge. Ensure you examine and comprehend protection directives on the battery. How many volts does a car battery need to start? An automobile battery that is well charged should give a 12.6 volts evaluation or more. Still, the measurement can climb to 13.7 to 14.7 volts when the engine is in working mode. You can verify the voltage of your battery by means of a voltmeter. On the other hand, if you don't have one, then you can test your electrical arrangement by starting the automobile with the headlights on. It's imperative to always test your connection and electrical scheme. It shouldn't only be when it's starting to show signs of failing. Contact your auto mechanic to check it at least twice a year. How many volts should a car battery have when fully charged? Car batteries that are appropriately charged should gauge at 12.6 volts or above. When the engine is in functioning mode, this capacity should be increased to 13.7 to 14.7 volts. Battery voltage reading can be checked using a voltmeter. However, if the device is unavailable, you can test your electrical arrangement by starting and setting the headlights in on mode. Weak headlights illustrate that the lights are draining the battery, and the alternator isn't making a charge. Reverend the engine and check. If the light becomes brilliant, it signifies the alternator is making some current but insufficient. If the lights have standard brightness and remain unchanged on revving, then it means the charging system is running properly. Next, let's look at how to tell if a car battery has a dead cell. How to tell if a car battery has a dead cell. It isn't too tasking to tell if a car battery has a dead cell. If the reading on your car battery indicates 0 volts, it could imply that the battery had a short circuit. If, on the other hand, the battery is unable to attain a reading above 10.5 volts when charging, then it signifies that the battery has a dead cell. A well-charged battery that has the voltage indicating 12.5 or lower means sulfating has occurred. Sometimes, it is easy to detect a faulty battery by examining it. You can check for things like cracks of plastic, too much leaking, wrecked terminal, discoloration, bulge, or bump in the case. Those are the basics, especially if you are looking at how to tell if a car battery has a dead cell. You can tell if a car battery has a dead cell if it has broken terminals. This is because busted terminals can trigger short circuits, which can be unsafe. A short-circuited cell means all the power is discharged instantaneously, causing intense heat production. A battery can easily explode on this ground. If the battery is undamaged, but there appears to be a swell in the case, it means you are charging the battery excessively. A car battery with cracks may not affect the proper functioning of the battery, but it is dangerous to use. A wet cell battery water level has to fill with distilled water. However, there can be an issue if the battery has been dried for a long time. Sulfation, the major cause of battery death, can accrue if the plates are exposed to oxygen. Also, charging a dry battery will burn it up. A battery may be dead if you notice lots of liquid in the cell but with a dark color. 1. The voltage reading of a battery can signify if it has a dead cell. A battery that reads 0 volts indicates that it has short-circuited. A battery that is unable to get up to 10.5 V when charging indicates a dead cell. A charged battery showing 12.4 volts or less means it has sulfated. The issue of sulfating should be easily reversed on charging back the battery. Though, if a battery is severely discharged or drained for long, the sulfating will amplify in size and solidify onto the plates. This covers the surface area of the plates, thereby eliminating the chemicals required for power production. 2. Load testing your battery can easily be done from the comfort of your home or at a local auto shop. To be precise, your battery charge must be full for the load test. So, you can use the methods I mentioned earlier to tell if a car battery has a dead cell. It can be somewhat tricky to verify if a car battery is totally destroyed or not. However, it can be quite revealing in other cases by looking within the cells, particularly for flooded batteries. Unfortunately, it doesn't apply to sealed AGM and gel batteries that necessitate testing. Your battery may call for an alternate if it displays the symptoms I mentioned. The final question we'd like to answer is, what is the voltage of a dead 12-volt battery? So, a completely charged 12-volt battery will be around 12.8 to 12.9 volts. And for a flat dead battery, its voltage is at about 12.0 volts, and the resting voltage of 12.4 means the battery is just about 50% charged. I hope this video has shown you how many volts a car battery should have, and we also discussed how many volts a car battery needs to start and how to tell if a car battery has a dead cell. If this video has helped you, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.